Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to another makeup tutorial.
You've had it from the start.
Even though I'm really excited about this makeup look and this hair, this is not a hair tutorial. This is just my hair. I curled it. There are 3 palettes that I used. These are my 2 favorite palettes. Actually, one of them are my favorite, which is the Where To by Juvia's Place palette. This is the matte palette. This is actually the eyeshadow palette that I would use if I'm stepping out and I want to look presentable. Then I'm going to be using the Nubian 2 palette as well. You will see which shade that I will be choosing to use in those 2 palettes, as well as the Morphe Brushes 39L palette. It's the holiday palette. So I'll be using the gold from that palette to complete this gold glitter tutorial that I have going on. If you're brand new to this channel and you already like how this look is popping right now, you already like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And when you're done watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment if you feel so. And I will catch you in my next video. Starting out with primed eyelids, I'm using Layin by MAC. And we're gonna go ahead and start in this Where To palette by Juvia's Place using these 2 browns. And I'm gonna apply those 2 to my crease and it's not gonna be a very neat look. You already know how I do. I don't know. It's like grunge, but not grunge. I say grunge because I don't necessarily make my makeup too perfect, but yeah, no. So now we're going in with that darker brown, and I'm just applying that over the lighter brown in that palette. Now going in with the shade Jamada. It's like a brick red. Me and my descriptions with colors, I don't know, I need to quit. But basically, as you see me doing here, I'm applying it to my entire lid. And using that same shade Jamada, I'm bringing it down to my lower lash line. And then taking my flat brush, I'm going to be pushing that color into the lash line. Moving on to the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place, I'm going to be applying Ya to my lid, and then we're going to be using Jezebel to apply to my crease. And then we're just going to bring Jezebel down to the lower lash line and just push that into the lash line as well. And then moving on to the 39L palette, the Hit the Lights palette by Morphe Brushes, I'm going to be adding this beautiful gold shimmer. It's like a pressed, sorry, not shimmer, it's a glitter. Definitely livens up the look for me. It's something fun to play in. So I'm tight lining using my LA Girl eyeliner in black. You can use any eyeliner that you like. This is my favorite mascara I'm using, the Colossal Big Shot by Maybelline. And then I'm going to be applying my lashes. This is a pair of lashes that I actually purchased from Amazon. Not exactly my favorite, but you know, I'm getting my use out of it. So then I'm just bringing down that eyeliner to the lower waterline as well. And then I'm going to be going over that eyeliner using the same shades I used in my crease. And then applying Lucy Star Powder by Gerard Cosmetics and mascara. To warm up my face, I'm going to be using the same 2 brown shades that are in the Where To palette. And instead of contouring, I like to use this as my way of warming up the face.
Do you feel the groove is feeling nice?
And the steps that I'm using highlight, I am actually using my Gerard Cosmetics Star Powder in Lucy. we know I need a new highlighter, just like I need new blush. I know. Speaking of blush, I'm using my Red Vino by Milani. And then this KKW Beauty lip liner in Nude 3 for my lip liner. And then to go with the lip liner, of course, I'm going to be using my Nude, the Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick by Gerard Cosmetics. I always like to enhance my Cupid's bow, so the only way that I know to do that is to apply highlight. And then we're just going to add some highlight to the rest of my face. And we good, girl. And to set my face, I'm using my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All. And that, my friends, completes this look. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and I'll catch you on my next video.